Yeah. But if you go to grind it out, you saw like I tested it earlier to see how nice it would grind out. It doesn't grind out with it. It heats up, it melts, and then it just clogs up the grinder.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it with a chipper. I can get it some of it, but still not what I want. Nice and clean up. Now we're working this way, but all that shit's off there. It's gonna be smooth. It's gonna look pretty. We're gonna take all that crap that's in there out of there while we're going down the road, and then we'll get it all nice. Give it a nice seal when we're all done on the inside. Make it nice waterproof, and away it'll go. Right now, it's just getting this tool in this hole and getting that shit out of there. I'm gonna try to get another scraper to get in there because my big scraper is too wide and there's too many bumps in it. So I got a screwdriver I modified to do stuff, but somebody borrowed it. It's here someplace.
We're gonna be able to see him putting the last little bit on this outside edge, but that seam sealer, you know, once we grinded everything off, we welded all of the holes up that was in there, polished them up, and then sealed off the area where the trunk, new metal was welded in with seam sealer, you know, where the water get in and only leak into the car, and it all go outside the trap area like it should.
See how this is rounded here? Mm-hmm. This corner, once I get this all welded in, I'm gonna grind this corner and weld this up so it's nice and clean. But for right now, in case I have to adjust it at all, I left the metal. Same on the other side, I left the metal. I got the curvatures there. Once I get it exactly where I want it, then I'll cut this with the round, weld it up nice, polish it up nice, and she looks pretty. Right now we're just doing the finals for we're doing a butt weld on this. This is all gonna be flat welded across. So we're just doing the final trims on that, whatever needs to be trimmed to make that where we got to have it, and then we'll prime it. Actually, I'll probably prime it now because I think I got it trimmed enough. I'll put the weld-through primers on, clamp it up, and then start my welding procedures. There we go. Much better.